Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvper Productions here with another video. We out here, we doing more mods, of course. Gotta get fast out here. But today we're gonna be installing Making Racing lower downpipes. So let's get to it. Alright, so what we're gonna be installing today is these right here. Making Racing lower downpipes, just lowers, not the full downpipe. On my 2018 Infiniti Q50 3.0 turbo, so that VR30. We got the boys pulled up. Wanna be LeBron.
Oh my god.
He doesn't take that thing off. Oh damn, we got Jesse in here. What the heck? We're here riding the Miata. And the junk Miata, it doesn't work. He put the window back up. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so we're back, guys. So obviously, you're gonna need a 14 mil socket, 17 mils. And that's about it. And some strong gentlemen. So what you gotta do is, where's the water?
Where the fuck's the water?
So what you gotta do is on the back ones here, on the cat, you gotta, these are 14 mil bolts. So you just unloosen these two. Alright, so like I said, I'm back. Alright, so underneath the car, if you look up here, there's gonna be 14 millimeter bolts. There's gonna be 3 on top and then 2 over here on the bottom. And this bracket that holds on the cat. When you put the new test pipes on, you don't use this bracket anymore, so I'd probably just remove it. And then also, you gotta disconnect the O2 sensor plug right there. And I would take it off once it's off the car, not when it's on. It's probably really difficult. We're almost done with the outside, as you can see. Jesse got some difficulties over there. So yeah, once we get it off, we'll give you guys another look. And since you guys are here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Oh, here are the test pipes. We'll give you guys a closer look. Or the lower down pipes and the test pipes. See, it's making exhaust right there. Look real nice. Comes with new gaskets, new hardware. And these, from what I hear, gives you like about 20 wheel horsepower. Tuned, obviously, not without a tune. But that's what I've heard. And as you guys saw last video, we installed the intakes on it, the K&N drop-in intakes. Now we're doing the lower down pipes, and then next after this will be the heat exchanger. And it should be around 400 wheel once it's all tuned. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty exciting. And obviously we're gonna show you guys the whole tuning process. But yeah, let's get them off and then we'll be right back. Those bolts are hard though. Alright guys, so we're back here. We just got the cat off. So like I said, the 3 bolts on top, 2 bolts on the bottom, and that 1 bracket. And then disconnect the O2 sensor. This O2 sensor, you're gonna swap it over to this side. Right here. There's a bunk for it right there. This is the new one. Looking real nice. Let me give you a look over here. So this is what it's gonna look like over here. There was a black bracket that goes right here, connected to these bolts right there. I took off the bracket because you're not gonna reuse it, and then put the bolts back in because those hold down your tranny, I believe. Bolt right here. And then it's these 3 bolts, like I said. That 1 bolt for the bracket, and then the 2 over here. And the new pipe should go on. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna throw this back on. Well, before we throw that back on, obviously we gotta take this O2 sensor out. So we need to get I have an O2 sensor socket. I really recommend getting one of those because it's really hard with the regular wrench. So yeah, they usually sell them at AutoZone or O'Reilly's. AutoZone, O'Reilly, sponsor us, please. Imagine? I'm just kidding. So yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna throw this side back on and see what happens. Yeah, I know, for real. Alright, so we're back, guys. So on the driver's side, it's only gonna be 2 bolts, and you access it, take off your intake cover over here, or whatever, the Infiniti logo cover, and then you get the 2 bolts from up top. And I use this really, really long extension. It's like a 21-inch extension right here from Husky. And I use a wobble at the end to get it on. And usually you put the socket on and then you just fish it through. And on this side, it's only 2 bolts on top and 2 bolts on bottom, and it should come off. See, we got Jesse down there. Míralo. Chingao.
No, I can't get it.
Don't say that in front of the camera, bruh. I'm just kidding. They're gonna tell me you can't do shit.
Shit, what you want me to yank it?
Yank that bitch off, man. Push this exhaust forward. Up. This one. Here. Damn. This is a mechanic, bruh. Maybe got Alexis over there, not doing shit as always.
Playboy.
He's over there just cheering us on.
Emotional support.
It's true. We gotta have a cheerleader in the family. Alright, so that side's off. And same thing, you need to put the O2 sensor off. I had to go buy a new O2 sensor because look what happened here. Sheesh, that thing's dunzos. But whatever, it is what it is. Sometimes you gotta pay to play. But we're gonna get those O2 sensors on, and I'm gonna start throwing on the rest. Yeah, my boy Thick over here. What's happening?
Fuck out of here.
Alright, so we're back, guys. Swapped the O2 sensors out. Gonna put the new hardware. Everybody got quiet. Shy ass.
Anyway.
What's it called? So this is new hardware. Uses all the hardware you're gonna use on the new stuff. And as you can see, the driver's side has 3 bolts, so that's how you'll know. This is for the, this is for the passenger side, the one with 3 bolts. And the driver's side has the 2-bolt flange on both sides. And you just gotta put everything back up. And that's about it. Let's get to it. Alright, so we're back, guys. Alright. Once you're done, it should look a little something like this. Look at that. 3 bolts are in. You don't reuse the bracket. Oh, you connect your O2 sensor, don't forget. I didn't. You need to reconnect that. And then you connect 2 bolts in the back. And you should be good. Alright. That side's on O2. Same thing, just less bolts on that side. Just one bolt less. And let's turn it on. Alright, so everything's installed. Let's get in it, let's give it a few revs. Out there. It sounds pretty good. So there it is, guys. Right now we'll do a few little pulls and then we'll close out the video. See you in a bit. No questions asked.
They real ones for that one.
Alright, so I said I would do a pull, so here it is. So let's put it in sport mode. Traction control out. What's handy? Oh, fuck. I miss you. Total fun.
Yeah, he doesn't have a manual, you can tell.
Man, we just hit speed limit. Look at that.
Perfect. Perfect. Oh shit, they're coming for us. Oh shit, you got rims and everything.
Yeah,
That shit's clean. Does it need the sauce though? Is what I'm wondering.
I'm gonna wait for him. Come on.
Ah, what a buzz! Holy,
It pulls a little bit.
dude, it pulls so much harder. What the? It's just constantly pulling, bro.
Dude, it hit an unknown.
It hit an
mile per
unknown.
hour pretty quick.
But
Some say
it hit this many digits. I'm just kidding.
this many digits. 0, 0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0, 5.
Alright, so that's it, guys. Hope you liked, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. We're about to film another one right now. We're about to be doing daily vlogs. I'm just kidding. Nah, we're never doing daily vlogs.
Yeah, we're not there yet. We're not there yet.
Unless
you gotta start racking them likes up.
and shout out to the boy Juan. I just saw his video yesterday. He shouted us out and put us in his description. So we're gonna put you in our description, bro. Go check him out. He does a whole bunch of drawings. He has some dope work, and then he does some videos with his girl, which is pretty cool. But yeah, see y'all on the next one. Later.